First of all, you all don't even want to know what I had to do to get this video. Hello, it's your girl Tiff B, and this is officially my first video. So I know I mean nothing to you now, but get to know me, sweetie. I promise you we'll become the best of friends. Right now, I'm all natural, nothing but, you know, a little Carmex, and that's it. Because if we're gonna be friends, you gotta get to know me, the real me. Okay, so this channel will be all about my life, from my businesses to being an entrepreneur to how I'm starting my businesses. And you'll see me develop my YouTube channel from scratch, literally day one right here. So you'll see me develop over time. You'll see my lighting get better. You'll see my backdrops get better. You'll see my cameras get better. And we're going to grow together. And I truly believe in helping other people. And so you're going to have the front row seat to watch me glow up, okay? All right, so this is video one. Like I said, this channel is going to be all about my life. I'm into makeup. I'm a mother. I'm an entrepreneur. I design clothing as well. I know you can't tell right now because I'm looking a little homey. But again, my first YouTube video, and I literally want you guys to see where I am now to where I can be and I will be 6 months to a year from now. So just watch and grow with me, okay? You can follow me on all social media platforms, @adosesof_Tiff, @adosesof_Tiff, Snapchat and Instagram. And also follow me right here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like as well, okay? So what we're going to be getting into right now is I am starting my online boutique. When I had the vision to start my online boutique, I literally had nobody to like help me out. And I just got on YouTube, and there were about 2 people that I watched their videos, and they really helped me out a lot. And I will also tag them below because I'm not no hater. You know, it's enough love for everybody. So I will definitely link them down below so that you can like and subscribe to them as well. And so I want you guys to be on this journey with me. The first thing that I have done is I've reached out to someone to complete my logo. And I would like to do this because without any type of social media or anything like that, you know, with a website, I'm going to need my logo. I will backtrack. That's actually not the first thing I did. The first thing I did was my research. Like I said, I watched YouTube videos. I reached out to my Secretary of State, and I found out in my state of North Carolina what I need to do to go ahead and start my online boutique. I have everything lined up. It's just a matter of completing it. And so I'm just waiting, and I filed my paperwork and everything. I'll put in a next video a process for filing my paperwork in the state of North Carolina. So if you are in another state, you may have to do a little more different processing than what I'm going to have to do. But like I said, I want us all to grow. I want us all to prosper. I want us all to get that coin. Let's get it. 2020 is the year of walking in faith. It's the year of following your dreams. It's the year of entrepreneurship. And it's whatever you want to do, baby, the world is yours, okay? So again, follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram, @adosesof_Tiff. Subscribe and like right here on YouTube. Let's grow together.